Have you ever wondered why school starts with a bell? It's not to help you learn, it's to condition you. The modern education system wasn't designed to produce deep thinkers, innovators, or leaders. It was engineered in the 19th century during the Industrial Revolution with one specific goal: to create the perfect factory worker. Think about it, sitting in straight rows for hours, asking for permission to speak or even to use the restroom, punishing anyone who deviates from the standard curriculum. The system doesn't care about your unique intelligence. It cares about your obedience. It trained your grandparents to work the assembly line, and it trained you to work the cubicle. But the most dangerous thing the system did to your brain was making you terrified of being wrong. In school, mistakes mean bad grades. Bad grades mean failure. You are conditioned to believe that safe mediocrity is always better than a risky attempt at greatness. But look at the real world. Look at economics. Look at wealth creation. The markets don't reward compliance. They reward asymmetric risk. Every major business breakthrough, every iconic brand, and every massive fortune was built by someone who embraced failure, analyzed the data, and adapted. By teaching you to fear mistakes, the system effectively managed your fear of unemployment, ensuring you would stay just compliant enough to never leave your cage. Today, the matrix is cracking. The safe 9-to-5 job is becoming the single riskiest financial strategy you can choose. In the age of automation and AI, loyalty to a corporation is a one-way street to irrelevance. They don't want your creativity. They want your silence. If you want to break free from the house, you must unlearn everything they taught you about safety. Start building your own proof of work. If you are ready to see the world through a cold, analytical lens, hit the subscribe button. We dissect the hidden psychology of money every week. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it.